two key water quality parameters are chlorine and pH. Collect your water sample to be tested. This test will most commonly be used on a non-natural water source, but can also be used to identify chlorine contamination of groundwater from external sources. Measurement of both chlorine and pH is achieved using a simple tablet method and comparing any colour change in the water with a colour chart. It requires no power and gives an instant reading. To measure the pH, fill the left-hand side of the comparator block with your sample water until it's almost full. Drop a DelAgua phenol red tablet into the chamber and carefully replace the rubber lid. Shake the comparator block to dissolve the tablet. This should take up to about 20 seconds. Against natural light, compare the colour of the water sample against the pH chart on the left-hand side of the comparator and record your result. If the colour is between 2 points, then take the reading in the middle of the two colours instead. To measure free chlorine, which is a primary disinfectant, fill the right-hand side chamber of the comparator block with your sample water until it's almost full. Drop in a DelAgua DPD1 tablet directly to the chamber. Avoid touching the tablet with your skin if possible and replace the rubber lid securely. Shake the block until the tablet has dissolved, which should take up to about 20 seconds. Against natural light, take the reading against the colour chart in the middle of the comparator and record your result. If the colour is darker than the middle chart offers, then read from the right-hand side chart. Don't forget to record your result. Continue, if required, to measure total chlorine by adding a DelAgua DPD3 tablet to the sample containing the DPD1 solution. Replace the lid and shake until dissolved. Read the colour changes compared to the right-hand side colour chart and record your result.